some of the common worship movements. Going to 2. From 6, you play 6 major. That's D sharp, G, B flat, and C sharp. That's like a dominant chord here. Then so just slow from G to B flat, then backward again. That's it. You hear this movement a lot. So 2 to 2. That's so 2 there. Then play this. So that's so this is 2. So you hold this B and B here, you hold this, then D sharp, B, E, and F. So that's it. Going to chord 6, for example. Okay, so chord 6, you play something like 5 or 7. That's F, C sharp, then D sharp, G sharp, C sharp. Then I play this, step it down, D sharp, F sharp, D and F. Then A flat, B. Then play chord 6. This is my 6 on the left, like a rootless chord. You can as well play it this way. So yeah. So the same 6, DLA did something from Mastercraft, something like this. At the 6. So he didn't really break this down on his page, so I'm doing that here. C sharp, B flat, F, D sharp, then you do the same thing. So here on 6, then that's 6 2, 6 2. So this is 2. Yeah. You also slow from here to here with this as your melody. So the 2 can be rootless, something like this or this. That's 6 2. So he did something going to 5 also. Going to 5. He played some, instead of playing a flat 5 chord here, into 5. That's flat 5. We are playing a song. Jehovah, you are the most high. That's a passing chord. This to this, you are the most high God. Jehovah, you are the 4 1, then flat 5 5. You are the most high God. Instead of that, you can play this. That's part of what he did in the video. So Jehovah, you are the most high. You are the most. That's it. Okay, or something like this. You can play this way, yeah. Like a tritone. It's G, C sharp, D sharp, G and B flat. Then here, you can play this as tritone again instead of this. Then 5. Is it? So from this 6.